I show you something where I look about the day. I see all my orange peel there now. You see orange peel, people? Very good for put one little piece in your porridge. Orange peel, them style here is very good to put a little piece in your all-in-one, in your soup, or in your porridge. Just pop off a little piece and drop it in anything like that. And you can also boil tea with it. You got that? Veteran TV. Natural Liberty as from top watcher. My dear. Wednesday, and I think I play all in a one this. Everything in a this. You hear me, people? Everything. Veteran TV. Pot. And I'm a kitchen meaner, you know, daddy. See me? Yeah. I'm a kitchen meaner, man. What I do, man? Watch out, man. I know me like them juice, yeah. See thing where I go on. I'm a get a start to car. See my mom, this see my no, you know. Watch out, people. Veteran pot, you know, all different type of seasoning, and this is coconut juice. And I have carrot. You know, as you can see, I have my original country pepper, and I ate well seasoned down with tomato and my onion. And my thyme, a couple of pimento seed. This well seasoned. Cut more want to touch you now. You see it, my people? Veteran TV pot, that one your name, all in one. Out of every pot in the world, that one have the most name. Some people call it dip and fall back, like my grandmother. Some people call it all in one. Some people call it Musa. Me's a man a koro, me call it, you know. Crazy! Veteran TV pot. You want to smell it? It smells delicious, so it must taste delicious. Cook them natural food, yeah, man. And left out the whole heap of meat, man. There's a tin mackerel in this, man. You see how pretty? Crazy?